So in this video we're going to show you how you can use the Excel link to create these design variations using Excel, but we can use spreadsheets to automate most of the content. I have removed the variations that were added in the previous videos in relation to the actual layback itself and then the footpath adjustment to show you how this works. I have left the comments. We do need to add these comments manually, but I've left them in so that we can move them and adjust them in 1 second. So we're going to close down the design data form. And the Excel tools can either be found via the Roads tab in this panel here on the pull down, or you can find them via Toolspace. So I'm simply going to click on the little Excel button, then click Sync Links. And as soon as I do that, you'll see that very quickly we've had an adjustment made to our layback. So let's go and see what's happened in the design data form. We're going to right click, open up the design data form, and you can see how all of those entries have been added by the Excel link. All I'm going to do is just simply move this comment down where the footpath adjustments start, so I can now get this clear segregation of the variations. Now we're going to have a look at how this link works and also show you the spreadsheet that we have created to enable you to do this.